Click, clap, pull it. Click, clap, pull it. Click, click.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we saw how to edit in Cam 350 and why we use Cam 350, and we also saw in this video how to import Gerber or NC file in Cam 350 software. In earlier tutorial we saw how to work on Cadence software, how to edit any Gerber as per our production plan. So we complete a tutorial of Cadence software, and now we start Cam 350 software and approximately we make 5 to 6 tutorial video of Cam 350 software. So first we open Cam 350 software. This is my Cam 350 software and version is 9.0. So in most of production hours we use Cam 350 software as general, because of Cam 350 software is used for any production machine suitable format. Like in CNC machine we get output of any Cadence software or any UCAM software and also Genesis software, and it is not, in some case it is not suitable for our machinery. So first we output of the software and its other software output is import in this Cam 350 software, and we make some suitable format of the machine. So this is use of Cam 350, and we also make some netlist like BBT testing, flying probe testing and universal testing. They want some netlist, and we in most of case we make a netlist in this software, in Cam 350 software. So in this video we saw how to import Gerber or NC file in the Cam 350 software. So first we import Gerber, and after this we import some NC layer. So first my Gerber is here. I don't need it, so I am first cut this. So here I have two Gerber, C01 and M01. So if I want to import these two Gerber in Cam 350 for make netlist or anything use of us. So first I am going import file, import. After click on import we have two option for import a Gerber. First is import auto import and second is Gerber data. So if I want to the multiple Gerber in single path of file, then I am select auto import, and if I want to all Gerber with his unique path, then I am a select on Gerber data. So we saw both option. First I am a select auto import, and in auto import we click on it, then we got this dialog box of path. So first I am a set path. C drive, and we have our we select our path, it came 350, and this is our Gerber. So I am select just one. I am set this path, and first we click on scan each Gerber. So I am on this scan each Gerber on click on and click on finish. So I have import all this Gerber. So this is my coffer layer. This is my legend layer. Legend layer is open in 3 layer. So this is legend layer, and this is masking layer, and this is NC layer. So this is first option, or auto import, and we set just one path, and all Gerber are often in this software. And we have one second option is single Gerber set path, then we see it after this. So first we go new and don't save it. Now for second option we go in file, import, and import Gerber. So we have got one dialog box of import Gerber, and I am set a path of all this Gerber. So first Gerber, I am set path for first Gerber. Here we don't see any Gerber. Because of this, here we set some unique format. Here is Gerber file is in GBR, PHO, LGX, LGR, and X274 and ART. If our Gerber is in this format, then we see here our Gerber, but our Gerber is not in any format of this. So first we click on all file. After all file we see our Gerber. So if I am select first, second, and third. So I am select 3 Gerber and click on open. So we set one single Gerber for our single path. So this is my first Gerber path, second Gerber path, and third Gerber path, and I am click on OK and yes. So this is my first layer, and second layer. So second legend layer of three layer, 1, 2, and 3. So this is how to import Gerber in KM350 software. Now we see how to import NC file or drilling file on this software. So first we go on new and don't save, no save. So for this first file, import and drill data, and we set a path of our NC layer. So click on it, and this is my general folder, and KM and ADV 1503, and it is DRL file. I am a double click on it, and it is open. This is the path of NC file is here, and we have some option the import format. So I am set format epsilon, type is absolute, and I am set integer 3/3. It is a standard digit 3/3, and zero suppression is a trailing, and I am set unit in matrix mm. And now I am OK and yes. So this is my NC file. I am import NC file, and if we want to make some editing, then we make editing from here tools, and after this we will take output of the NC file as per our production plan. So this is how to import Gerber and NC file in KM350 software. And after this video we saw how to edit NC file, how to make a netlist on this software like this. So thank you guys.